take some action. I cannot tell you how many times, if I had $1 every time someone told me they're going to launch something on Amazon and 6 months later on they're still at square one, I would be a millionaire, right? Taking action is by far the best thing you can do. You're much better off doing something sloppy than trying to be perfect. And I went to a networking party, I organized a networking party in January of this year. We had about 200 people show up at this networking party. Now, I met a lot of people that said, I'm gonna get my product launched, and it was a free event, right? So I'm gonna get my product launched, Alex, and I'm going to, I'm gonna choose my product, I'm gonna do all this sort of stuff. And then I bumped into a few of them the other day, and still they're at square one, they haven't done anything. And the reason is they don't know what to do. They decided to go off and do it by themselves, which is completely fine, I respect that, right? But it's kind of like, and I liken this to buying property, right? So, out here you've got all these apartments, and you need to do the research before buying an apartment. You need to do the research on property, right? And making sure that you're making the right decision. Same thing goes with doing research on products. You've got to make sure that you are doing, you are actually going to be making money on the product. And a lot of people don't know how to do the research. They don't know what to look for. So if you're looking to get something started on Amazon, guys, get some advice. Go to someone that's actually done it before, right? Who's doing it every single day. We're doing listings every single day for our clients. We're talking to Amazon every single day, back and forward. You're better off getting advice from those people who are doing it every single day rather than doing the whole trial and error and trying to figure it out for yourself. Because I tell you what, it's expensive, it's also time consuming. You could be, when you hit a roadblock and you're trying to do this by yourself, it could take a week for you to try and figure out how to solve it, right? Whereas our team's on it in the same hour. They're on it, right? They'll fix it for you. And just keep that in mind. That's what you're paying for essentially with any course you buy out there. You're paying for speed. If you don't have time, and maybe you're in a job right now and you don't have time to figure it out. All right, maybe you're sort of old or older, and you're mature, I should say, and you're 50 or 60, right? And you don't want to spend the next 2 years trying to figure out how to do it yourself, right? Well, guys, reach out to us because our team can do it for you. We can actually do it for you, list your product for you, help you find your product, right? I can also look at the products that you're tracking right now, or look at the products that you sort of have in mind, and I can sort of tell you whether or not it's actually going to be any good or any decent. But I get more involved with all of my students. So have a great day, guys. I wish you the best. You don't need to do this by yourself. You don't need to be lost. I can actually guide you, okay? I can actually train you on how to find hot products, okay? I can actually show you the best ways to find the best products and to actually list your product on Amazon. All right, so I wish you all the best, guys. Have a fantastic day, and reach out to our office if you have any questions whatsoever, all right? If you're looking to get something started and you want to reach or speak to somebody, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. The number's on the screen, right, or below this video. We have a New Zealand phone number as well. You can give us a call on that New Zealand phone number as well, all right? I wish you the best and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.